Yo, what's up guys, it's me AD signing into my channel Airplanes a Dream. So today we're going to be seeing about a quiz. So this is a completely random quiz. It is hosted by your own AD, and this quiz has a total of 5 parts, shot in 5 different days. Yep, so let's move on. Rules. You'll be given a timer of 10 seconds. You will have a total of 20 questions and 3 options will be given. You can upload what should be my next 5 topics on Instagram. And please upload it in the Instagram account given above. Okay, so let's move on. The timer is currently placed. So the timer is ready for action. Let's move on. So the topic A. First topic is quiz. Quiz A is airports. So first question has already cropped out. It's which airport has the code JFK? Guess it out. Options are A. Minneapolis, B. New York, C. Chicago. Your 10 seconds timer starts now. Your time's up. Second question. Which is the highest airport in the world? A. Beijing, B. Taosheng Yading, C. Lukla. So your timer starts now. Your time's up. Third question. The biggest airplane in the world. It's not related to airports. It's related to aeronautics. Aviation. Yep. So the biggest airplane options. A380, Airbus A380, Antonov AN25 Maria, and Boeing 747. So your timer starts now. Your time's up. Sorry. Your last question is, the most highest fleet in an airline. Please try to mention the airline's name as well. A. 957, B. 989, and C. 767. So your timer starts now. Your time's up. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So bye.